It is now a pattern. It is now a pattern. Is this now the way this government operates? Each time people are disturbed about one thing that they are doing, they will bring a diversion. They will divert the topic by bringing one man on television station to say one or two things that will keep Nigerians talking. Then Nigerians will leave them alone. But we will not relent. You all know what Femi Gbajabiamila did. The topic is still ongoing now. People are calling for his resignation. Kunle Fagbemi was on, was it Arise, and said he should resign. As a matter of fact, the governor of Central Bank should resign too, and the Secretary General of the Federation. All of them should resign. Peter Obi is not the one that said all these ones now. It's coming from a Yoruba man. And everywhere is silent. But when Peter Obi said the president should resign, the first one, NDC was deregistered, though they are in courts now. I am coming. Remember, my name is Hyacinth, and this is the Hyacinth Network. This time around, Peter Obi said the president should resign because of the recklessness in the wastage, calling Nigerians nobody, that Nigerians don't really matter. You need to sit down and look at the recklessness, the way these guys are treating Nigerians. And a leader like Peter Obi is saying that Nigerians should wake up, that this guy should resign because Nigeria belongs to everybody. And they went to bring Ali Modu Sheriff. I made a video yesterday about that anyways. Just want to touch it briefly. And they went to bring Ali Modu Sheriff to tell Nigerians that Peter Obi that Peter Obi want to divide Nigeria, so that Nigerians will start discussing that one, and they will let Femi Gbajabiamila and Tinubu, they will let them go. Isn't it? That will tell you the mediocrity that is happening in this government. Let's look at Ali Modu Sheriff. Who is really Ali Modu Sheriff? Somebody that cannot, till today, cannot do anything about the state he governed for 8 years. That state is Borno State. He handed over to Shetima, I think. These guys imported terrorism into Nigeria. And allegedly, yeah, isn't it? They are killing your people every now and then, and somebody who said that there is solution to that is the one you went on air to say that he wants to divide Nigeria. I want to ask you, Ali Modu Sheriff, is your state united? Your state, I'm not talking about Nigeria. Is your state united? Do you have people in their homes? Do you have people in your home, in their homes in Borno State? Your state is deserted. People are out and about, running for their lives every now and then. And you have the guts to come on air to say that Peter Obi want to divide Nigeria, while Boko Haram ISWAP and Lakurawas are the ones dividing your state. Today, you can't even go to your state and sleep, Alimodu Sheriff. You can't sleep in your state for one night. You cannot. Shetima cannot go to Borno State to sleep a night. Just sleep for one night. They cannot. Those were the things that is happening in your own state. You cannot even do anything about it, and you come on air to fight somebody who said that those things will stop within months of him being the president. And you guys don't want it because as people are being quiet every now and then, you love it. You like it, isn't it? If not, all of you should support Peter Obi. All of you should support Peter Obi. Every town, every village, every state that is being ravaged, that's being attacked by these bandits, by these terrorists, should support Peter Obi, because Peter Obi said there is solution. Tinubu said they will kill him if he fights terrorists. It's not the time for you to come on air to fight Peter Obi. Peter Obi said corruption, if you and your family are not involved in corruption, you reduce it to 50%. Peter Obi said corruption will be dealt with. Peter Obi said loopholes will be plugged. Peter Obi said Nigeria will be better. And you guys are against him by all means. Peter Obi said there is solution. Tinubu is telling you that there is no solution. Because what they do is to go on air and say if it were to be Peter Obi that he will not do anything. You can imagine the madness in when people talk. Anyways, like I used to tell people, there is no way you can defend Tinubu without looking very, very stupid. Anybody that comes on air, anybody at all, including the lawyers, the professors, anybody at all that want to defend Tinubu, anybody, when I mean anybody, no matter how educated you are, if you come anywhere to defend Tinubu, you'll be very, very stupid. People will be looking at you like, okay, it's like something is not really right. Like somebody that went on a rise the other day to defend him, and when Charles asked him a question, he was making reference to 9/11 person papa, and Charles said no, these two things are not related. Forget about 9/11, forget about America, we are talking about Nigeria. You don't have any valid points. Charles had to bypass him because there is nothing coming. Charles is living in Nigeria. Charles knows the pain. Charles feels everything, just like every other Nigerian. But when people are confronted with the truth, you see them come out to defend madness. That is the Nigeria we are today. The question is, why is he succeeding? He is succeeding because 90% of our elders that are supposed to talk are corrupt. From our former presidents, all of them are corrupt. All of our former presidents, all of them are corrupt. I can name names. All of them. If not, they would have gone to him to tell him that you are trading on a very dangerous path. But all of them are quiet. What about our clergymen? Those that went to Tinubu, those that went to Goodluck Jonathan to tell him to accept defeat, where are they today? Our former presidents, the clergymen, many of them went to Goodluck Jonathan to say, yeah, whatever the result, just take it. And after Jonathan announced or accepted the defeat, you see all of them coming out of Aso Rock. We've been with him. We're just trying to make sure that he accepts whatever the result is, because they were they know what the result will be. All of them, they knew. So they were there to tell Goodluck to accept it. If not, the blood of baboons and humans will be flowing on the streets of Nigeria. That's what came out of our former president, who is now beneath us and under his feet. That is one thing they don't know, that one day they will answer the call of nature. As this one is dealing with Nigerians now, and some people are praising him, knowing that this guy is dealing with Nigerians and calling us bluff. We don't mean anything to him. No life, no person in Nigeria means anything to Tinubu. He will come on and you look at him and his body language, you realize that this guy don't care. The other time I made a video, I told us why he is very powerful. He is very powerful because he built houses for them, the judges. He is powerful because there is no election in Nigeria. What we have is selection, and INEC is being used for that. It's up to Nigerians to say no to this madness, because just less than 1 million people cannot control 250 million people. It is not possible. It is up to us to say no, because their power and everything, they are trusting INEC and judiciary. But it's up to Nigerians to say, INEC, give us the result of our vote, not the one you wrote. INEC, we want this thing out. We want somebody that will give us account of every spending, every money, everything that comes in and goes out. We need to know how everything goes. And because you voted for him, he is ready to give account of everything. He is ready to walk on the street with you. He is ready to visit your homes to ask questions, not somebody who isolated himself from the reality of life. And yet you say you are the president of Nigeria. Even Donald Trump visits shops, visit eateries. Even Donald Trump, before he enters Air Force One, he will address people. He will talk to people. He will answer questions from journalists. It is a routine. In Air Force One, Donald Trump will always answer questions from journalists inside Air Force One. Not this one that isolated himself from people, because he doesn't care about you. And he knows that there are paid actors that will always go there and mumu themselves in the name of protecting APC and Tinubu. It's up to you to decide what to do with your life come 2027, Nigerians. It's not me that will decide for you. It's up to you. If you're okay with what Tinubu is doing, so be it. If it's not okay that you've seen Shege Pro Max, it's up to you entirely. My name is Hyacinth, and this is the Hyacinth Network. Thank you for listening to me. May God bless you, and may God bless Nigeria.